What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, the tiny camper build officially begins. A couple pieces came in for it and I want to show you guys what I got. We also put the tiny camper together, the trailer for it, not the entire thing. But yeah, let's go and show you guys what came in. Alright, let's go inside and see what came in. So here's the trailer itself. This is a 4x8 trailer that was, I purchased it from Harbor Freight. I think I got it for less than 300 bucks. And here it is. I'm eventually going to end up replacing these wheels because these things don't look too beefy and I don't think they're going to last that long. Other plans are also to weld certain areas together, like these areas. The middle parts that connect the two pieces together. We're also debating whether we should widen this thing a little bit. It's 4x8 right now. We potentially want to make it 6x8 just to have a little bit more room inside. But yeah, guys, this thing is going to have a bathroom and is going to be able to sleep at least 2 people. We're going to try and see how we can configure it to fit a little bit more. But yeah, the whole idea is it's a tiny camper, so it's not luxury living out in the woods. But yeah, it'll be fun to pull behind the Jeep and take camping and that kind of thing. I'm hoping to get it done here in the next few months so that we can take it out this year and have a little bit of fun with it. Without further ado, let's unbox the first part. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be unboxing the toilet and sink combo. I purchased this thing from Walmart. It was not very expensive. I'll put a link in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself or for your camper build. But yeah, there's a link in the description box below. Alrighty, let's unbox this thing. So that is the toilet portion. I'll give you guys a closer look once I have everything set up. But yeah, I just want to open everything first. This looks like it's the base of the sink. Need a little bit of weight to do this, huh? We're good. Woo, you gotta be like 300 pounds to put this thing in, but we're good. Next is the, looks like the seat for the toilet. So that'll go something like this. It's kind of weird, I'm putting a toilet together on my YouTube channel. But there it is. Ready. And so I'm going to move this over a little bit. So this is the top of the sink. I'm sorry, this is the bottom of the sink. This is what this sits on. I had this thing upside down the whole time. Started panicking. I was like, where's the tub for the sink? I saw some pictures online. This is for the toilet paper. You can hang it on there while you're taking care of business. And then, guys, this is the hose that takes the dirty water from the sink after you wash your hands and puts it into the toilet, and that's what you flush after you're done. So I think the setup is supposed to be something like this. Okay, so now that this thing is put together, let me show you guys how it kind of works. The toilet has to sit to the left of the sink just because that hose is, it fits better that way. So the idea is that you fill this bottom portion up with clean water, and that's what you use to wash your hands with, and then that dirty water from washing your hands goes into the toilet, and that's what you use to flush. So check this out. You fill this tank up with water, and when you're ready to wash your hands, you step on the pedal down here, and water comes out of the hose up here, which they also gave you a little soap dispenser, which is nice. But yeah, you use the sink water. It drains out of the sink into this pipe right here, and then gets held in the toilet's reserve tank, which is this top portion. And you open the toilet, you do your business, and then when you're ready to flush, all you do is pump like this, and that dirty water from the sink is what gets flushed. And look at this, guys. Okay, so the way to flush this thing is there's a handle right here you pull, and as soon as you pull it, that opens up into the waste tank down here. When you're done, close that, and then you can dump the waste tank down there. But there it is, guys. I bought this thing again from Walmart. I'll put a link to the description of this exact item in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. Also, make sure you guys stay tuned for the build of this tiny camper. If you guys are interested in winning this thing, let me know in the comment section down below if I should do a giveaway. And yeah, give one of you guys this tiny camper. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the continuation of this build. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.